What up mga solid subscribers, no? So ito guys, itong video to ng Bini, no? So kung mapanood nyo itong video to, no? Halos isang linggo na po or 14 days na po uploaded itong Bini Sweet Tooth Dance Practice, no? So tara, panoorin na po natin, no?
Your love is sweet like watermelon gum. It's probably not so good for me, but I don't care at all. This candy crush, I hope it's never gone. Soon I'll get a cavity deep inside my heart. But how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hooked.
Oh, guys, hindi ito yung Bini na style na napapanood ko. Hindi ito. Hindi siya feminine yung galaw nila, guys. Although may mga steps, may mga pitik, may mga angles, pero yung steps nila, hindi siya Bini-like na mga steps as in. May angas siya eh. Oh! Nakita niya yan, yung ano, yung hi-hat. Tunog. Yung roll, tapos biglang solid yung detalye.
But I don't care at all. This candy crush, I hope it's never gone.
Ang sumputik.
Soon I'll get a cavity deep inside my heart. But how
Grabe yung blocking sila, guys, yung formations. Galaw ng galaw.
it's
Tignan natin,
probably
sorry.
not so good for me, but I
Okay,
don't care at all.
change blocking.
This candy crush, I hope it's never gone.
Grabe yung
Soon I'll
holds.
get a cavity
Hey,
deep
change
inside
blocking.
my heart.
Change blocking ulit.
But how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hooked. I should try something healthy, but it never.
Ang offbeat no, offbeat siya. Wala siyang beat pero ginawa nila ng steps, no. So, tandaan niyo, no, sa isang choreography, guys, hindi pwedeng laging sa beat ka lang sasabay, no. Kailangan gagawa ka rin ng choreography na alam mo 'yon, yung bigla na lang anong tawag doon? Hindi ko malaman yung pinaka-term na gusto ko sabihin, guys. Kumbaga ma-caught off guard mo yung mga mananaya, yung mga mga viewers, guys, no, na uy, kahit walang music, walang beat, kahit walang lyrics, nagawa nila ng steps yung part na yun, no, di ba? Ang solid, guys. For me, isa yun sa mga masabi kong art ng dancing po talaga, guys, no. Yung magawan mo yung mga ng choreography, yung part na wala halos music pero ang ganda tingnan, guys, na itong part na yun, yung gawin yung balikat.
But how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hooked. I should try something healthy, but
Ayan,
it
diba?
never tastes
Parang sa lyrics siya, no, pero for me parang offbeat siya.
healthy, but it never tastes as good. Try something healthy, but I should try something healthy,
Ayan,
but
sure, cha-cha-cha. Parang ganyan ginawa nila, no? May sarili silang beat na ginawa.
it never tastes as good. Me, my sweet tooth.
Hey!
No, I can't help
Linis ng
but
galaw,
feel I
nakakainis.
want you. I know there's plenty words it takes
So,
just
repetition ng steps dun. Cha, cha, boom, and then go. Biglang nag-continue sila ng movement.
but I want you. I know there's plenty words it takes just, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my
Ooh,
sweet tooth. Yeah. Problem with the heart of candy.
Ito yung gusto ko sa kanila, no? Pag may mga ginagawa sila mga holds, guys, no? Like, sa mga nakakalam yung holds, guys, no? Like, kunyari ito. Yan. Sumasayaw sila rito while nakastay sila. Stay put. As in, naka-hold lang sila. Wala silang ginagawa.
Heart of candy rocks. You really have to work for it, but still don't get a lot.
Wow, yung angling.
It's 4 a.m. I'm still up in the dark. It's 4 a.m. I'm still up in the dark.
Grabe, oh. Umikot pa sila. Gumawa sila ng rotation sa blockings na to.
Buzzing off the sugar rush, I tried to make it stop, but how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hot.
Ang ganda ng successions doon. Habang gumagan si Gwen, isa-isa silang lumalabas, tema.
But how can
And
I
then
self-regulate? Your love
Joanna.
has got me hooked. I should try something healthy, but it never tastes as good. Healthy, but it never tastes. I should try something healthy, but it never tastes as good.
May mga steps sila, guys, no, na for me, hindi talaga siya yung galaw ng Beanie yung ganyan, hindi ko nakikita sa Beanie, yung nag-shake sila, nag-snap sila ng hand, tapos medyo yung footwork nila is hindi ko lang kung tawag doon, very very sorry.
Healthy, but it never tastes as good.
Okay, naka-hold dito.
Sweet
Masusi na.
no, I can't help if it wants you. I know there's plenty words, addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth.
Grabe yung Succession. Ang dami nilang Successions ginagawa at mga sequencing talaga, guys.
Wanna get over it, but do what you really want to. If I'm out
Yung picture dyan, oh.
trying to find really want to. Do
Damn.
what you really want to.
Pa.
If I'm out late at night, trying to fight my sweet tooth. Wanna get over it, but do I really, really want to? If I'm here every night, dreaming about your sweet tooth.
Nice one.
Me and my sweet
Hey! Good words. Parang nag-pause sila rin, ah.
wants you. I know there's plenty words, addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help if it wants you. I know there's plenty words, addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth.
Grabe yun. Parang medyo nag-body wave sila rin, ah. Itong part na to, yung last part, more on sa music sila sumasabay. Doon sila sumasabay. Yung sa harmony. Hey! Ganda ng body wave doon. Parang galing sa knees and then katawan, boom. Kumampas siya. Ooh.
Me and my sweet tooth.
Nice. Ang galing. Ang ganda ng choreography nila dito, guys. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi siya Beanie-like na nakikita ko. Usually na choreography na. Napaka-solid yung detalye. Andun na po talaga siya, guys. Na. Kaya, ang galing. Ang galing na itong dance Sweet Tooth dance practice nila, guys. No? Hindi ko na-expect yung mga ibang mga choreography na ibang mga steps na ginawa nila, no? Yan. Kaya yun yung beauty, guys. Yung paggagawa ka ng isang choreography na talagang caught off guard yung viewers, yung mga nanonood mismo ng dance practice. No? So, yun yung grabe na po talaga yung lawak ngayon ng paggawa ng isang choreography, guys. No? Sobrang lawak na po talaga. No? So, very big shoutout sa Beanie, no? Napaka-solid, napakagaling, no? And then, choreographed Matthew Almodovar and Reden Blanquera, no? Okay. Solid po sa inyong dalawang choreographer kayo. Solid nyo, as in, isa kayo sa mga dahilan kung bakit napakaganda ng choreography palagi ng Beanie, no? So, yun lang, guys, no? Kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring the notification bell para lang nyo pag nag-release ng bagong video, no? So, this is Point signing out. Peace. Let's chill.